Hello friends, welcome to Kavita's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare beaten coffee. Ingredients required are 2 cups of milk, sugar and coffee powder. Let's heat the milk. Until milk boils, we have to prepare cream for beaten coffee. First take 4 teaspoons of sugar for 2 cups of coffee. And 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. Let's add 1 teaspoon of hot milk. Okay. Beat it for a minute. Beat it until it becomes light brown color. This will take some time. Now you can see that the beaten coffee and sugar mixture is ready. The mixture has turned light in color. You can prepare this mixture in bulk and store it in fridge. Whenever you want, you can use for cups of coffee. Now I will divide it into 2 cups. Milk has started boiling. Now we have to turn off the flame and put milk in cups. Beaten coffee is ready. You can make some designs on coffee by using paper mounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.